Hello, this is Robert Sanchez with Happy Home Services. This is Happy Home's initial inspection video 001. I say again, Happy Home's initial inspection video 001. We were called out here for a leak located in Port Charlotte, Florida. Arrival time was 37 minutes after the original call. As you can see here, the front of the house, we'll go ahead and do a complete inspection video of this residence, including affected and non-affected areas. As we walk through the front entry, immediately to our right, located is the living room. See here this knee wall. The blue lines do indicate the height of excessive moisture content. Now we've located that using both the i7 thermal imaging device and an X-Tech M0290 non-invasive moisture meter. You can see here as we pull up the thermal, that dark purple area there is going to be the area of concern, also the area located wet. You can see there that tape line does extend. Carpet is completely saturated. We do have baseboard pulling away at both the front entry as well as potential microbial spotting here on the surface of this 3 1/4 colonial baseboard. You can see over on here, this is going to be common wall with the kitchen. Here we have the kitchen cabinets. Maybe a little hard to see here. You can see that line off on the right hand direction of the video is the swelling of the cabinet systems. Now we'll go ahead and take you back to the source, which is going to be through this door in the master bedroom area. Again, the blue lines do indicate the height of the excessive moisture content. Now you can see here in the master toilet, you can see that water dripping there. Source unfortunately was the supply line. So we are dealing with clean water, unfortunately based off the possible microbial growth indicated on the baseboard. This appears to have been going on a little while. We do have standing water here on this tile. See, cabinet system is blown out. And again, blue lines do indicate the height of the moisture. A little more microbial spotting. Now the microbial spotting appears to be throughout majority of the areas. You can see here, again, this is the master bedroom. We do have some heavy furniture damage here. As well as back behind the headboard here. This is going to be the dresser. Again, you can see that swelling obviously is non-reversible with press board. Another stand-up dresser here. Now please note you can see the clean cut lines here on this corner. As you extend down, obvious swelling. Now the vertical blinds are cloth, which being in this kind of environment they will need to be cleaned. I don't see any kind of spotting or potential growth on the back side or front side. And obviously sitting up this high, they have not gotten wet here. Let's give you a panoramic view of the room. See the microbial spotting here on this pillow as well as the baseboard. This is inside the master closet. Obviously we do have contents up here that will need to be laundered as well. Now stepping back through the master into the living room, give you that panoramic view there. See, obviously the cloth furniture has been sitting directly on the wet carpeting. You do have some heavy signs of damage here. You can see the spotting along these coffee table legs. well as again the microbial spotting along the 3 1/4 colonial baseboard. Now this is the sink base cabinets here. You can see the swelling. Again, please take note of the clear cut lines above and the swelling down below. The kitchenette area, obviously you can see that standing water there on the tile. Heavy furniture damage and potential microbial spotting as well on the furniture. Again, vertical blinds here. As well as plastic plants up top, which will need to be taken down and either replaced or cleaned. This is behind the stove area. You can see it's a little hard with this lighting, but you do have some swelling along here as well. Clear cut water line. This is going to be the back bedroom, common with the left side of the kitchen. You can see that water staining down there on the casing, as well as right here on the baseboard and casing. See, the tack strip does indicate that this area has gotten wet, as well as furniture swelling. Water doesn't appear to be too high in here, roughly about 6 inches above the slab level here. Again, that tack strip is absolutely saturated, as well as the pad. Vertical blinds. You have a guest bathroom here. Which, although no areas were marked wet in this area, you do have excessive humidity, and since it was open with the air conditioner on, you are dealing with cross-contamination. This is something that will need to be washed down using an antimicrobial, either Microban or Benefict, even possibly a Sanosil. This is the one unaffected bedroom. Again, same situation, being in an open environment. We will need to clean both the vertical blinds as well as the walls. Any of these personal contents, the sheets, bedding, materials like that will all need to be cleaned. And I'll give you a quick panoramic of everything involved. The laundry room here with that carpet is absolutely saturated. And again, my name is Robert Sanchez with HappyHomeServices, and this is the initial inspection video 001. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 941-766-0115, or you can contact us by email at HHSRV@msn.com. And this concludes initial inspection video 001.